welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video because we are going to be making none other than the handbook for the recently deceased. If you know where that's from, then you are my peoples. So this book is from Beetlejuice. So Beetlejuice is one of my favorite movies. I love Beetlejuice. So I had been wanting to make this book for the longest time. So I figured what better time than now, you know what I'm saying? So what I did is I went ahead and here I printed out the words on my Cricut, and it says handbook for the recently deceased, and this as well. I printed this out on my printer with sticker paper, I think this is. And this book here is from Goodwill. I paid about $1 for it. So if you want to recreate this, go get a book from maybe Dollar Tree, that's just $1, or if you have a Goodwill or a secondhand store near you, go and get yourself an old book. This is an old book that I'm going to be painting, so that's what you're going to need as well. I'm going to be using that book, and then I'm going to be using this paint here, and this is in the color Nutmeg Brown. So yes, I'm going to be using this paint here. I liked this brown, and I also have black here just in case I might want to darken it, but I think this color is going to be good enough. So also some black paint. You can get this at Walmart, Hobby Lobby, wherever. Got these at I think Walmart for like 69 cents. Very inexpensive. Also, I'm going to be needing a plate and this sponge here just to paint. And that's pretty much it. It's going to be super easy. It's not going to take much. It's not going to be expensive to make. And it's going to be so cute. And I cannot wait to display this in my Halloween decor, because you know that's where this is going, into my Halloween decor. So let's go ahead and let's start painting this book. Dry. I let it dry for about 10-15 minutes, something like that. It doesn't take long to dry. So now I'm just gonna go in with a second layer, and this time I'm just gonna pour the paint directly onto the book. I'm kind of not wanting to get paint on the pages, so I'm being a little careful, but if it does get on the pages, no worries. I could have taped the pages off, but I can't be bothered. So if you want to go ahead and tape the pages off, you don't want to get paint on your pages, then I suggest you tape them off. Don't be like me. But I'm doing pretty good so far. I'm just being extra careful when it comes to the edges. And I think I'm only gonna do a second coat. I don't know, I might go in with the 3 coats just so it could be super opaque. But we will see once this second coat dries. Because it doesn't have to be extremely perfect, being that this is the handbook for the recently deceased. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna distress the sticker out or what. I think I may just leave it just like that. You know, kind of like I was the first one to have the recently deceased book. You know, it came extra brand new. In the movie it looks a little distressed, but I may just leave it alone. You know, maybe I was the first one to get the handbook, you feel me? We'll just pretend. A little bit of ASMR, can you hear me? Tell me that's not ASMR. When you whisper and I'm painting the book, doesn't that sound amazing? Okay. I think I need to get into ASMR, guys. What do you think? What do you think? Alright, so the second coat has dried. And as you can see, it really doesn't need one. Let me zoom in so you can see better. You see how it really doesn't need a third coat, but your girl is going to go in with a third coat. So let's just go ahead and do that. You know, it's not going to hurt nobody. So I'm going to go in with my third and final coat. 2 coats was perfectly fine, if you're wondering. But your girl wants it super opaque, so I'm going to go in with a third coat. Alright, now my book is completely dry. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take my decal here. As you can see, it says Handbook for the Recently Deceased. Go ahead and I'm going to place it onto the book. I hope I get it in the middle as best as possible. It doesn't have to be perfect, but I kind of want it to be a little bit perfect. Alright. I think I went too much on one side. Is it straight? It's kind of not straight, but you know what? We're gonna go with it. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take my little squeegee. And I'm going to squeegee the words on. Alright, let's see if I got it. Oh, pretty. Nice. It came out nice. Alright, so now it came out really good. I think I got it in the middle as best as possible. Now that I have my beautiful letters on, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to take this picture. I already took the back off. It's basically a sticker. And I'm going to place it wherever I want. So I should probably stand up so I could see it better. Oh yeah, this is much better. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna place this sticker wherever I want. I think right there. So I want it right there. Yeah, right there is good. So I'm just gonna push it down. And it looks so cute. So to reinforce this, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to go over this with some Mod Podge. I'm gonna use the matte Mod Podge. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go over it with some Mod Podge. And I am going to be using the matte Mod Podge. That's just the effect that I want. You can use the glossy Mod Podge if you would like, but I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with the matte. So I'm just gonna go over the whole book, and I'm gonna pour some out onto my plate here. And I'm just gonna go over the whole book. And this will dry clear, so don't worry about that. If you don't go over this with Mod Podge or something, whatever you would like to use to protect it, the paint will chip. You will get chips everywhere. It needs something to protect it. So go ahead and put some protectant over it. Mod Podge is a great solution. So I'm just going in and I'm pushing down on the vinyl, making sure that it's, you know, sitting flat onto the book. I'm gonna let this book dry for about 30 minutes. I think even less than that, it should be ready. And then I'll come back and I will show you the end product. Alright, so here is the book all done and dried. I went ahead and let all of the Mod Podge dry. I did use the matte Mod Podge. I will say it's not completely matte. There still is a sheen to it, as you can see. As I move it up and down, you can see, but it's not super glossy either, but it's okay because I love the way it looks. Just wanted to let you know before you go get the matte and you're like, that doesn't look matte, but it is and it isn't at the same time. But I love it anyways. Now while I was waiting for this book to dry, I decided what better time than now to have a giveaway. So I'm going to be giving away this sticker here and then this whole decal here. So it's going to say Handbook for the Recently Deceased, and it'll also have this line in the middle. Now there will be 4 winners. So to enter this giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe here to my channel on YouTube and like this video. Give it 2 big thumbs up. Okay, maybe just give it 1 thumbs up. And also you'll have to follow me on Instagram at ChristyRocksXO. I'm going to put it right here. Follow me there. And go ahead and comment on Instagram on my post that has this book. So when you see the picture of this book on my Instagram, go ahead and enter on there by sending me a comment, anything you want. It could be your favorite Halloween movie or your favorite part in the Beetlejuice movie. Also, you'll have an extra entry if you tag a friend. So please be sure to tag your friend and that'll give you an extra entry into this giveaway. So if you want to win this decal and this sticker here, then please follow me over on Instagram. It will be running for about, I'm going to say about 3 weeks, because I want you guys to be able to get yours and make yours and have yours for Halloween. Maybe it'll run for a month. I don't know. We'll see. So if you're ready to win this, go follow me on my Instagram at ChristyRocksXO. And that's gonna end it for today's video. I'm so excited to display this in my Halloween decor and I can't wait to share that with you. So please stay tuned because I'm going to be having a ton of videos coming up soon. So until next time, XO till I overdose. Bye guys.